No problem.
Let's go.
31 pounds.
Whoa!
Yes, Ethan.
You guys pulled the anvil like it is.
Yeah.
No, we did not move. No, they did.
Yeah, that's pretty heavy. Do you think you'll be able to do it?
Why not?
How much is that weigh? £50. Oh, she's trying.
Wait.
She's trying.
Yeah.
The guy's chain fell off.
Yeah.
Oh,
No
she's
way.
breaking down.
No chance.
Pounds on it. 4 pounds. All right, let's see it. Let's see if we can pull 12 inches.
I'm scared.
Do it.
No, Dad.
What? This?
Yes. I swear, if this breaks down.
Oh, no problem. Barely an inconvenience.
I don't
See
know.
what happens.
Put it more towards the back. Put the weight more.
I'm nervous. Nervous about this. I'm scared.
Oh, it wants to. She's riding the struggle bus. Oh, not quite. What is the name of this machine? What? Ram. This is the powerful Ram. All right, let's see some weight on there. 2, 4 pounds. Let's see it. Oh, easy day. Not a problem. Because I can eat that 4 pounds all day. We got 8 pounds on here now. 8 pounds. Oh yeah, no problem. Let's put this other one on and see if we can pull 10. Oh, it's struggling, but it's pulling 10. All right, so we have Ben trying for 17.5 pounds.
Yeah.
See what it can do. Oh yeah, no problem. 17.5. 18.5 pounds.
Here, Cameron, pull it back.
Let's see if Ben. No, Hot
Hot
Pocket.
pocket.
Hot Pocket.
No, pull it back to the front is up here. Okay, Cameron, let's go. Yeah, pull it tight.
All right, let's see what Hot Pocket can do. Oh, it's wanting to. It does it a little bit, and then it can't handle 18.5 pounds. Cameron, what'd you do to it?
You literally just put more weight on it, and then it goes.
All right, Ram's gonna pull 18.
You can.
No. It cannot pull 18. They can't pull 17. They're trying 18.
You guys know this, you're winning.
Not able to do it. Okay, 19.5 pounds. 19.5 pounds. Let's see if I can pull it. Pulling it. 19.5 pounds.
Come on, you can do more.
Why is it just falling apart now? What did they do to fix it?
What
You
are
guys
you
fixed it.
That's 20.5 pounds. Looks like it's handling it just fine. Good. 22.5. Not a problem. See it. 24.5 pounds.
Lisa's weighing it down.
Okay, 26.5 pounds. No problem. 26.5 pounds.
There's a rock in the front. It's getting in the way.
Keep pulling it.
The rock is underneath it. Okay, those rocks mess me up.
Okay, 26.5 pounds. You missed the only rock.
No!
26.5 or 28.5, right? 28.5 pounds.
Nope. You might pull this guy. Hold on. Dang it.
Get it tight. 31 pounds. Let's see if we can pull it.
Yeah!
No problem.
Let's go!
31 pounds.
Whoa! Yeah, they did!
I don't know what happened yesterday, but it's working now.
Oh, how was it? You mean like Wednesday? Keep going.
Wednesday. 31 pounds.
Let's go. We gotta do the air.
33 pounds. Let's see it.
Yeah, you can clean it up. I'm gonna straighten it out again.
That's fine.
Good job.
33 pounds. No problem. Why don't you get another 2 pounders? Oh, it's having problems.
Yeah, it's going!
Oh no.
Woo! Can't have no weight on my back.
I know.
We have to be cautious, Mr. Kongable.
Make sure there is no rock. Ethan, don't miss a rock.
I knew we should have put.
Oh, there it goes.
No
It
problem.
was a rock!
It was a
It was the rock!
Oh, the rock.
The rock.
Too good!
33 pounds. No problem.
Hey! You keep going! Keep going! Come on, buddy.
35 pounds.
Got it, buddy. Keep it together. No!
It can't hold 35. It held 33. 33 was its limit. All right, this is a hot pocket.
I'm so
Let's
cool.
see if it can pull 31 pounds.
Slow down.
Oh, it's doing it. It's trying. It's
What happened?
It's
cold
these,
out.
it's these wheels right here.
Think
If
your
we take
battery's
these off, it'll
dirty.
do better.
Put a new battery in?
Let's try it one more time.
No.
Try it one more time.
Okay,
It just doesn't have it.